Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling location services and granting the map app permission. This ensures accuracy. Once done, open the map and wait for the blue dot to settle so your position is precise. Next, choose if you need live sharing for moving trips or a static pin for a fixed place. This decision changes the steps that follow. Make sure your internet connection is active, because offline maps limit sharing features and may produce stale coordinates. You now drop or select the exact pin, tap and hold on the map, or pick the search result for the address. Once the pin appears, refine its position by zooming and dragging, and add a short note if needed to clarify entry points or floor numbers. After that, pick sharing options, set duration for live sharing, toggle high accuracy if available, and select how you'll send it. These choices determine who sees updates and for how long. You finish by selecting the contact or app to receive your location, add a concise message, and tap Send. Once sent, confirm delivery by checking the app's sharing indicator or asking the recipient to confirm they can see the pin or live feed. If something goes wrong, make sure permissions are still enabled, restart the map app, or resend a static coordinate via text. That quick troubleshooting step resolves most issues without redoing the whole process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.